In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Tasks notifications. On the web, Google Tasks notifications don't have their own separate switch. Instead, they come through Google Calendar. So the most reliable way to quiet them is to adjust Calendar's notification settings, optionally hide your tasks from the Calendar view, and, if pop-ups persist, block notifications for Calendar in Chrome. First, open a browser and go to calendar.google.com. In the top right, click the Settings gear to open Calendar's settings. In the left sidebar, scroll to the General section and choose Notification Settings. Here's where you control how Calendar alerts you. Turn off or adjust the types of notifications you don't want, such as desktop notifications, alerts, or emails. Changes take effect right away, and they apply to tasks that have dates and times because those tasks appear inside Calendar. If you still want to see items when you're in Calendar but don't want to be interrupted, turn off desktop notifications and alerts and leave only what you truly need. This keeps your tasks intact while stopping the pings. If you'd prefer not to see tasks in your calendar at all, you can hide them. Back in the main Calendar view, look at the left sidebar under My Calendars and find Tasks. Uncheck it. This hides task entries from the calendar grid, which naturally reduces reminders from showing up while you're planning your day. Don't worry. Hiding the tasks calendar does not delete anything. Your task lists and due dates remain available in the Google Tasks side panel. You're simply removing them from the calendar view. You can recheck at any time to bring them back. If you still get pop-up notifications from Calendar in your browser, you can block them at the browser level in Chrome. In a new tab, type or paste Chrome/Settings, Content, Notifications, and press Enter. Scroll through the list of sites, find calendar.google.com, and set it to block. This tells Chrome to stop showing any notifications from Google Calendar, which also stops task reminders delivered through Calendar. Keep in mind that blocking at the browser level is an all-or-nothing switch for that site in Chrome, so only use it if you're comfortable silencing all Calendar notifications there. That's it. By fine-tuning Calendar's notification settings, optionally hiding the tasks calendar, and blocking